Hi, this is Taylor with TenantCloud, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect with a property owner. There are many benefits to connect with tenants, service professionals, and owners. Sending a connection request to an owner is similar to sending a friend request on social media. When you are connected to your owners, they will be able to view their reports, use TC Messenger, approve maintenance bids, and pay their invoices all online. To connect to the owner, you will first need to make sure that you have created an owner contact. Once the contact is created, click Contacts from the left side menu. Then, click the Owners tab under the Contact Card section. Click the View button on the owner's contact card. Next, click the Actions button and select Connect an Owner from the drop-down menu. Confirm the email address and click Send Request. The owner will receive an email with a connection request. After the owner has accepted the connection, they will be connected to their properties that they were assigned to. When you are on your owner's contact page, you can click Properties to view all properties managed by that owner. If you have multiple owners to one property, you will want to send a connection request to the other owners as well. And that is how easy it is to connect with an owner within TenantCloud. To start managing your rental properties for free, just go to www.tenantcloud.com or click the link below in the description and sign up today.